All right, hello everyone, and welcome to Excel Analytics, Advanced Excel Charts and Graphs. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm so excited to share this content with all of you. So before we dive in, why don't we just take a minute and talk through the course outline and structure. In terms of course structure, what's nice is that I've included downloadable cheat sheets for 20 plus chart types in Excel. These show you when and why to use each type of visualization, including your basics like bars, columns, lines, and pies, and more advanced creative options like surface and contour charts, waterfalls, tree maps, sunbursts, even geospatial heat maps. Now, the bulk of the content in this course takes place through screencasts and practice files. This is where I'll actually guide you through hands-on demos every step of the way so that you can learn at your own pace. I'll start by covering your basic, out-of-the-box chart templates, and we'll work towards more advanced, custom-built, interactive data visualizations. Now, the course outline starts with some data visualization best practices. I'll cover some key principles and talk about what I like to call the 10-second rule, and then walk through some good, bad, and ugly examples of data viz. Second, we'll go into chart customization in Excel. This is just a quick primer to make sure that you're comfortable working with chart elements and formatting options and working with custom templates. Third, we get into the real meat of the course. This is all about mastering the basic charts and graphs. We'll review and demo each of those 20 plus chart types in Excel. And then last but not least, we've got our next level exercises. This is really what sets this course apart from the rest. I'll walk through over a dozen custom-built advanced demos to really turn you into a data visualization expert. And I guarantee these are demos that you've never seen before and that you'd be shocked that Excel is capable of. Ready to get started? Let's do this.